Hi Ed, hope you're well. This is just a very quick video to say thank you for all your help and assistance so far during this process. I've got to say, from the very beginning, it's been quite a unique experience. From the minute I clicked on to the YouTube advert, and then filled in my details, and then I got some information which was really useful, and then followed up by some of your colleagues. And I didn't answer the first few times because I was busy. But when I finally did, I arranged a phone call and then got into a consultation meeting, and it was really helpful to get into my head and heart what your process was about, and how moving into an online sales, generating clients, how it can be a logical process, which makes a lot of sense to me. I've been in business for quite a while. I've got my own a successful business outside of my the COA system, but I wanted to turn my hobby into something which was less like a side hustle and more like a real business. And yeah, a lot of the things so far I've learned have been really good. How to formulate my offering, the three pillars of the offering, and then I'm now moving into part two of the process. I've done it really quickly actually, because it's a simple step-by-step guide that you offer, really instructive. So yeah, thank you very much. It's been brilliant so far, and I can't wait to get through it, get through the rest of the course, and start to successfully sell my online course. So yeah, thank you very much appreciated to you and all of your colleagues.